Hi guys, welcome in, welcome back guys. We'll be doing a chicken and rice recipe, right? So we got our leg quarters, right? We got this for $6.85 from the supermarket. Guys, that doesn't get much cheaper than that. We'd have to probably go back to 1980. And guys, we found this Tabitha Brown seasoning. It's an all-purpose seasoning. It's garlic, black pepper, and lemon. So we're gonna give this a try. We'll see what she's all about, or McCormick's all about. And we got some salt. And that's it, guys. 1, 2, 3, easy schmeezy, one pot meal. And I'm probably gonna throw some spinach on, but that's not for this video, but we'll be right back. All right, guys, so here's our leg quarter. Guys, these are not the prettiest thing in the world, right? It's got a lot of fat on it. It's still got the backbone on it, right? It's still got some of the guts or liver or whatever that is in here. But we just gotta do a little work to clean this up, right? And it's no big deal. So we're gonna start on this side. So like right here is where the knuckle is. So we're just gonna go down and get right through that bone. Right, and I'm taking the skin off of these. I'm not gonna cook this with the skin on it. So that goes over there, guys, and that's it. I'm just gonna slice these just to get a little extra flavor in there. I'm gonna let this sit probably for about a half hour before we put it on. I'm gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna get rid of some of this skin. Pull this off. Here's the butt, get rid of that, right? We don't want that. Some fat, we don't want this fat. And then on this back side here, let's get rid of this stuff here. Right? Hey guys, right here, this knuckle, this piece of meat right here, this is a good piece of meat. This little piece of meat on the back, woo, that's some good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out. And I'll be right back. All right guys, so I went ahead, I got everything all cleaned up, right? And I'm just gonna put this on the side and I'm gonna do the rest to the rest of the pieces of chicken. All right guys, so look, I just wanna show you real quick. If you didn't want that bone, that backbone on there, what I would do is go ahead and just cut down the back here, right? Then pop out the bone there. And then boom, you got your chicken thigh, your boneless, skinless chicken thigh. Right? But look at this, look at all this meat you're throwing away. You know? We used to be able to buy chicken backs, right? You go to the store, buy chicken backs, like I get, I don't know, 10, 15 of them for like 50 cents back in the day. And that'd be a meal. All right guys, so we washed our chicken, right? And we dried it. Guys, we decided to take the chicken backs out. I cut them off. I'm just gonna freeze these and save them for another time. That's gonna be another video. When I get about 12 or 14 of these, I don't know, I think maybe I'll fry them up or maybe cook them up and put them in some barbecue sauce. Knowing these things, guys, this is some good eating. Don't throw these away. All right, guys, so this is no big secret here. I'm just gonna season these up with some salt because this, I believe, is salt-free. Yeah, it is. It says here salt-free. And I do want a little bit of salt. It does taste good. I just tasted it. It does taste good, but I think this chicken will benefit from a little salt. Okay, we got our salt on there. And then we're just gonna go in with the rest of it with some seasoning here, okay? Rub everything in with some avocado oil. We're just gonna give this a nice rub. Of course, we wanna get all that seasoning in our cuts, slits, right? All right, guys, so this is gonna sit out. This is gonna sit for, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. 30 minutes or one game of DMZ, right? So I'm gonna let this sit, wash my hands, and we'll be back in like 30 minutes or so. All right, guys, so we're back, right? It's been about 30 minutes or so, and we let our chicken sit. Guys, this smells pretty good. This seasoning smell actually smells really good. All right, so this is what our chicken looks like. And now we're just gonna go ahead and brown this chicken off. All right, guys, so we're just heating up our pan. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of butter and some avocado oil. just so it doesn't burn. We're gonna brown our chicken off. Hey guys, this is a ceramic pan that I just bought, so nothing sticks to it. Seems to be working out pretty well. All right guys, so we're just gonna brown the meat, right? That's it, pretty easy, easy schmeezy. I'm gonna do presentation side first. So that's the smooth side, not the side where it looks with the bone on the back. And guys, we're gonna be putting the rice in this same pan. All right guys, so we flipped a couple of times already, and I'm just gonna flip it back onto the presentation side. Guys, I could have put paprika in there to get a little bit more color, but I didn't. I don't want it to burn so much, right? You guys, I'm just gonna put the top on this. I'm gonna put the top on this because I want this chicken to cook about halfway through. All right, so I'm gonna do this like for maybe just 5 minutes. That's it. No more than 5 minutes, and then we'll take a temperature just for blank and giggles, just to see what the temperature is before we put it in the rice. All right, guys. So it's been 5 minutes. Hopefully, I don't do this and get you guys steamed up. Okay. Let's see what we got on our presentation side. Come on. Alright guys, so our presentation side's looking pretty good, right? I mean, it's gonna make a great thumbnail. So let's just be real quick. Let's just take a quick temp to see where we're at. Guys, we're at 96 degrees. So when we put this in the rice, right, our meat will definitely be cooked to 165 or more. So that was the plan and that was the idea. So now guys, I'm gonna pull this out of here. You guys, look at this, right? I think I'd be better off with a better pair of tongs, right? But guys, look at that seasoning. It's all in the crevices. Yeah, that's gonna be some good stuff. All right, guys, so we're gonna do our yellow rice, right? So on the package direction, it says 2 cups of rice, 4.5 cups of water, and 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine. I'm gonna say we got enough oil in there right now. So we have to bring it to a boil. Then we put in our rice, we put in our chicken, we put on the top, we wait 30 minutes, and we have dinner. So let's get the water in the pan. All right, guys, look at our water. We got the fond on the bottom. We got oil from our chicken when we browned it. And guys, this rice, it already has a lot of flavor in it, a lot of seasoning, but that chicken juice and fond can't hurt. All right, guys, so our water's coming to a boil. We got our 2 cups of rice. I'm just gonna get that in there. Give it a nice little stir. Then we're just gonna put our chicken in. We don't want to leave any oil behind, right? All right, guys, so we're gonna cover. We're gonna turn it down. And we'll be back in 30 minutes. All right, guys, it's been 30 minutes. All right, guys, so it's been 30 minutes now. Let's just take a quick peek. Don't want the steam to hit the camera. Guys, we still got a lot of water in here. So we're gonna let this go, and we'll be back. All right, guys, so 15 minutes has gone by, so it's been a total of 45 minutes. Don't want this steam to hit the camera. Let's see what we got. Oh no, that wasn't good. That looks nice and not less. Let's just see how. Guys, just maybe another 5-10 minutes. So still a little moist. We're just gonna put the top back on, and we'll be back in 10 minutes. All right, guys, so we're done. Let me just give you guys a nice flyover. Guys, this is looking good. All right, so I'm gonna plate this up. I gotta get into this. I'm hungry. Be right back. All right, guys, so we're gonna plate this up. We're gonna make sure we get some rice. Got some meat here. Put down a little parsley. All right, guys, that's it. Here's our chicken and rice. Straight out of the pot. It's looking good, right? Let me give you guys a flyover. Here you go. And we're ready to eat. Guys, this is smelling good. It's looking good. Give this rice a taste first. Guys, the rice is perfect. Let's get a piece of this meat. Look at this. Chicken's just falling right apart. Comes right apart, guys. A little bit of the chicken in that rice. Hot. Guys, this seasoning is good. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.